It looks very similar. But... Yep. Yep, that's a good fish, that one. Smash it. What? Sorry. Fish, whatever it is. Dewey.
I was looking to die anyway. Muttley.
I got a Dewey! Woo! That's what we come out here for. Look at him. Look at him. Bloody net's caught up in my sinker, but how good is that? First proper black Dew. I'm over the moon. Yes! Good start. I did call it for a Dewey, but I've said that if you've watched any of our other fishing videos, every fish that I hook, I could be a Dew, but I actually called it correct this time. Alright, there's my fish. Whoa, almost slipped over. They're a bit different to the Deweys that we get down south, but they look very similar. But oh, what a beauty. It's got a little cigar hanging out of its mouth. It's barotrauma, so we're obviously going to keep it. Coming out of 20 metres of water, so he's never going to survive. But what a fish, you beauty. I think. Yeah, those head shakes. Take felt more shark bite, but mate's fighting so Dewey. Shark. Massive shark. Got my moors hanging off it. Yeah, hanging on the crowder. Nanny, cool. Almost got a shark, largemouth nanny. Good stuff, Chanel. Nanny everything. hard. Good fish. Don't get shy. Go, Chef.
Yeah, keep it small bite.
Probably a good eating size one, that one. Alright, we're driving into Rats Cove now. Look at this spot. Wish our drone was working. It's a bit, there you go, it's a bit broken. Drone shots when you got this spot. It's so nice in here. We just rocked up and we're like, oh, there's not much wood here. We're going to take wood, but not enough room in our little boat. But look at this. Someone's already cut up some beautiful wood for us. You little ripper. Got the music going. Rats Cove. Get the dog. Just going after Chantel's croc. She left it on the bank there. I'm like, where's your croc? And there's your croc. The only croc we've spotted so far. Go and retrieve it. I'm going to set up and then we're going to go for another fish out where we just came from. Maybe even somewhere different. Might go for a quick sounding session, have a look, find a little bit of reef or something out there. Done pretty well this morning, a few nannies. We're just cruising out of Rats Cove. Rats Cove's just in there. And Chantel was like, what's that over there? Is that a croc? And it's not her shoe this time, it's actually a proper croc. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there.
I can't see it.
I can. I can see it. See it?
Oh yeah.
That's a bit of wood.
Right up to it. No.
I think it's a bit of wood.
It's a bit of wood.
Yeah, it's a bit of wood.
Oh.
False alarm, it's just a bit of wood. We haven't had any beers yet.
It actually is though.
I think so. Yeah, it's wood. Imagine if we had a few beers. I would have said it's a woolly mammoth or something. What is it? It is a croc. Alright, sorry, it's not a woolly mammoth. It's not a stick. It was a croc.
It's still there?
No, it swam down. It's seen us and shut itself. Bloody hell. You can see it. Only a little one. He wouldn't eat us, but he would have a crack at Muttley. Imagine the drone.
Yeah.
Third Dewey on the day, the smallest one, this one, but we'll let this one go, hopefully it swims off. Alright, we're all set up at Rats Cove. We've fished all day. We didn't really film because it was too windy out there and it probably would have been annoying for you guys at home. But we ended up with like 12 Nenegai and 2 Deweys. We got like, I think we got 4 Deweys all up. But yeah, we kept 2 of them because you don't need that much meat, obviously. But yeah, I just going for a walk now for a little land-based fish. But look how nice this place is. This is ridiculous. The rocky escarpment. Feels like we're in the Kimberleys or something like that. It's bloody really nice. But yeah, I'm just trying to look for a little land-based spot to fish, get a couple of coral trout, or whatever's out there. I might have to keep walking that way. A bit more of a trek yet. This is Rats Cove. This is our little camp. Chantel having a swim down there by the boat. Muttley the mad dog's having a bloody roll. Come on. It's not a bad spot. Wouldn't say it's that good. I was joking. Bloody one of the best spots I've seen. Best spot you ever been at, Nuts? Bloody ridiculous. So good. Got a bit of wood there. Went up the fire. Probably like an hour's time. Chantel's still down there having a swim. Low tide right now. I didn't end up going for a fish, but a land-based fish. But oh well, caught enough fish today. I'm going to go fishing in the morning, so I'm happy. How good does this look? Not really too far. I squatted down and I don't know, frogs were behind me apparently. Rats Cove. Bloody, it's ridiculous. It's so good. What do you reckon, Chantel? Do you like this spot?
Amazing.
It's pretty good. Got a good fire going. Perfect weather. Plenty of fish today. Muttley's having fun.
We did see a crocodile though, so he's not allowed near the water.
Oh yeah, the woolly mammoth around the other side there.
Yeah.
That's right. Mutts has been a good boy with all his devices on. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good man. Oh, yep. Good man. Good man. Pork chops for dinner tonight. How good is it? We don't have Rats Cove to ourselves. We have another family up just from us, and they're bloody just about to set some fireworks off. They're really good.
They let us know.
Yeah, no, they're awesome.
So and they're still in the water. That's so good.
I don't know what type of firework that one is. It's a fizzer.
I think it's just going for water.
I'm not too sure.
They're good. They're good.
Yeah, well, me and Chantel are really keen to see it. Muttley isn't keen to see it. Oh, he is, but he is. As soon as that bang goes off, he's a bit of a gun-shy dog. Chantel's falling over with Muttley. Muttley shit himself.
Very scared.
Oh, mate, it's all good. Muttley really shit himself. Not good. Chantel just got dragged across the feet. That's our dinner. Mm-hmm. Salad and pork chops. How do you reckon that is, Chantel?
So good.
Bloody really good. Can't wait to smash it. ready for a fish just before we head back in home. So trying to get a couple of trout. We bagged out on Nenny, so trout or some finger mark or something. Red Emperor. Yeah, right. And tape off. Oh,
What was it?
a goldie.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh,
That's wrong.
could be a goldie too. Could be on a school of goldies. Finger mark. I reckon that's it. I reckon it's a good fish. It's all happening. It's only been 5 seconds. Big fish. I lost mine. Oh, trevally. Oh, it's bait. Oh, it's going. Playing up like a second-hand lawnmower.
Grab it.
Tea leaf trevally. Actually, not too bad to eat, apparently. It's going to be a goldie. Tells fish. I don't know what it is. I think it's a tea leaf trevally, potentially. I don't know. Sort of looks like a GT. Weird speckles. Not a bad one, though. I'm not even showing the camera. I'm going to use them for bait. Skin for bait.
I'm just gonna double barrel out. As well.
Largemouth Nanny there. Not a bad one. Look at the bottom. This is what we're fishing in. No wonder we're getting the nibs. What is it? Oh, trouter! Go, Shan!
You got the net or nah?
I'll go.
Go get it. Fuck yeah.
Yes! Yeah, Matt's, I know it's exciting.
That's a good trout.
Yeah. And tells trouter. Yeah, goalie. Oh, Dunya on the reef, I think. Oh no, it fell off. That was a good fish. Found a little goldie spot now. And smashed a few times. The GoPro's turned off. Chantel's filming on her phone. Wind's starting to cut now. But yeah, we're starting to get into some goldies, so it's a real mixed bag. So we'll keep in for sure. So we'll really get out of here now. The wind's starting to howl. We've got a fair way to get home, so not a bad way to end the trip. We're home now. The boats are all cleaned. Now to clean all these bloody morsels. Tasty little morsels. Well, we've done pretty good. Plenty of good tucker there. We already gave away a couple of fish so far. We're going to give a little bit more to our neighbour. But yeah, I'm going to take care of it. I'm going to fillet them all, obviously. I'm going to cryovac them before we freeze them this time. So they should last really good. It kept a few trevally as well for bait. for next time we go out to bottom basher. So yeah, successful trip. First time at Rats, won't be the last time, that's for sure. So we'll probably see you at Rats next time. See you next time. Here's part of our fish that we Chirovac. Even though the Chirovac's not working, it's a faulty one, but most of them work. We've got Nettie, we've got Goldie, we've got Trout, we've got Dewey. I'm going to chuck that in the freezer. Chantel's hard at work over there doing it.